Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious Desi-style chicken. First, ensure your chicken pieces are cut into small, uniform sizes, about 1-5 inches. This helps them cook evenly and absorb flavors better. Next, marinate the chicken with a mixture of plain yogurt, 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, and a blend of aromatic spices. Let it sit for at least 30 minutes or, ideally, for a few hours in the refrigerator. This step is crucial for tender, flavorful results. Now, let's build our flavor base. Heat about 3 tablespoons of cooking oil in a heavy-bottomed pot over medium heat. Add 2 large, finely chopped onions and sauté them patiently until they achieve a beautiful golden brown color, which usually takes around 10 minutes. Then, incorporate 2 slit green chilies and 2 diced tomatoes. Cook this mixture thoroughly, stirring occasionally, until the oil begins to separate from the masala, indicating it's well cooked and ready for the next step. Once your aromatic base is ready, it's time to add the star ingredient. Carefully place the marinated chicken into the pot. Cook it on high heat for about 5 minutes, stirring constantly to sear the pieces. Then, reduce the heat to low, cover the pot, and let it simmer gently for 20 to 25 minutes. This slow cooking allows the chicken to become incredibly tender and absorb all the rich flavors. Remember to stir occasionally to prevent sticking. Finally, for the perfect finish, remove the pot from the heat. Garnish your delicious Desi-style chicken with a generous sprinkle of freshly chopped cilantro and a dash of garam masala for an extra layer of aroma. Serve this flavorful curry hot with warm naan, fluffy roti, or fragrant steamed basmati rice. It's a comforting and satisfying meal that's sure to impress your family and friends, bringing authentic flavors to your table.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.